Now we're looking at section 4.5, solving systems of equations on application problems. So let's look at this application problem. For tonight's play, Sylvia sold 5 adult and 4 children's tickets for $200. Troy sold 7 adult and 6 children's tickets for $288. What is the price for each type of ticket? Okay, so we are going to be writing a system of equations. So to do this, you need to set it up properly. And in this question, we're trying to figure out the cost of an adult ticket and the cost of a child's ticket. Okay, and we're going to refer to those as X and Y. This is where the setup is easier than the problems we did in chapter 2, where we did word problems using only one variable. These problems, we can write a system but use 2 variables. So the first part is easy. Adult ticket X, cost of a child's ticket Y. Now we're going to write the system that we're going to use to solve. So Sylvia sold 5 adult and 4 children's tickets for $200. So 5 times the cost of an adult ticket and 4 times the cost of the children's ticket is going to be $200. Troy sold 7 adult tickets and 6 children's tickets for $288. And that is the system we're going to solve. Now, right away, you might be thinking, wow, those are pretty large numbers. But don't you worry, because if you look at X, the LCD is 35. But if you look at Y, for Y, the least common multiple is 12. Now, we could use 24, but 12 is the smallest. So we're going to multiply the top by 3 and the bottom by -2. Not so bad. So the top equation, both sides by 3. Bottom equation, both sides by -2. So the result would be 15x plus 12y is 600. Negative 14x, negative 12y is negative 576. Now when you add vertically, negative 12y and positive 12y are going to cancel. 15x minus 14x is 1x. 600 minus 576 is 24. So now we know the cost of an adult ticket. Are we done? No, because now we need to go back and find the cost of the child's ticket. So you can use either one of these, actually any one of these 4 equations. I'm just going to use the top one. 5x plus 4y is 200. And we're going to make our substitution in for x. So 5 times 24 plus 4y is 200. 5 times 24 is 120. The inverse of addition is subtraction. 4y is 80. Divide both sides by 4, and you'll have y is 20. Now, you need to go back and answer the question. Adult tickets are $24 and children's are $20. I guess we should use the word each. So it's important to identify what X and Y are and to know in your mind before you set up the system what those variables stand for. Then you can write two equations. Oftentimes the top equation is a more simple equation and the bottom equation is more complex, but in this particular instance both equations were somewhat similar. And that is the end of the Chapter 4 instruction. Thank you for your patience and kindness.